Greetings from my home in Anacortes, Washington. My name is Claire Fedele and I am the International Director for SHADE. Today I wanted to connect with you to provide a quick update on what's been going on with SHADE and how we're responding to the current COVID-19 crisis. As the number of confirmed cases in Tanzania is starting to increase more rapidly, precautions are being taken throughout the country. Schools have been temporarily closed and leaders are urging their citizens to pray. Communities are facing challenges because people live in a really communal way, making it difficult to practice social distancing. People rely heavily on public transportation, buying and selling in crowded markets, and living in close quarters. The impact of the virus on SHADE has been significant. We have temporarily closed our school and put our in-person community outreach efforts on pause. This means that our preschoolers are now staying at home and community members aren't able to receive the same level of support that we were previously able to provide. We're also pausing community education surrounding albinism with our advocacy efforts. Just recently, we made the decision that all National SHADE staff need to work from home in order to protect them and the community. Although there isn't a mandate from the government to do this, we wanted to take every possible precaution to stay healthy and to do our part in limiting the spread of the virus. But this doesn't mean that our mission to bring the tangible love of Jesus to the most vulnerable isn't moving forward. We've had to change our strategy, get a bit more creative, just like most of you are doing these days. Here's how we're focusing our energy in the short term. First, through community support. We're launching new efforts to help our community during this crisis. Our goal is to be a resource through spreading awareness about the virus and how to prevent it, providing soap and hand-washing buckets for those in need, and offering encouragement. Ministering spiritually will continue virtually as our team continues to pray and conduct a Bible study over the phone. Secondly, through support to people with albinism. When we refer to our community, we mean both those that are in physical proximity to us, but also our community of people with albinism. We aim to be a resource for the local Center for Children with Albinism and provide needed supplies for the children living there. And additionally, through educational support. We're continuing to provide for SHADE schools preschool students while they're at home during this closure. Our teachers are preparing homework packets for each student's home learning, and we're regularly checking in with the parents to offer encouragement and support and tips. And we can't forget about SHADE's 10-year-old adopted son, John Charles, who is also home from school, but is now receiving one-on-one instruction by our trained SHADE teachers to keep him on track. So that is an update from us here at SHADE. We'd ask you to please pray for our students, our community, and our staff in Tanzania during this time. And know that we'll also be praying for you, and we would love to hear updates from you on how you're doing as well. I'll be getting in touch with you in the next few weeks to explain more about how you can partner with us specifically during this time in order to make an impact in Tanzania. So stay safe and well.